So tomorrow is game 2 between Mumbai Indians and Kolkata Knight Riders at Wankhede Cricket Stadium in Mumbai. So this is going to be a sea of blue, and is the Purple Army going to take on the Blue Army at the Wankhede Cricket Stadium? Well, the playing 11 for for Mumbai Indians, probable playing 11 should be that Rohit Sharma and Quinton de Kock will open. Then after that, Surya Kumar Yadav will come. Then Tilak Verma will come, and Will Jacks, and then Hardik Pandya, Naman Dheer will come, Mitchell Santner, and also for the bowlers will come is mm, Jasprit Bumrah, Trent Bolt, and Deepak Chahar most probably. And because they have already, there are more players, but there's a headache going on in Mumbai Indians, and that will they take that they have Shardul Thakur, they have Shofin Rutherford, and they have also Ryan Rickleton. So I think they should take Quinton de Kock. I think Quinton de Kock will open tomorrow with Rohit, and my point is that Surya will come after any of them gets out, either Rohit or de Kock. So Surya might come to bat. And talking about the KKR 11, first should be Phil Salt, and then Sunil Narayan, then Ajinkya Rahane, Cameron Green, then Rinku Singh, and Tejaswi Singh, some bowler, whatever. And as you know, Harshit Rana is injured, Pathi Rana is injured, they won't play. So they Blessing Muzarabani will hopefully play. Then Vaibhav Arora and Umran Malik might be as a impact player, and they might also they have also taken Navdeep Saini as a backup. So I think they might take Navdeep Saini, and I think Rachin Ravindra will be a substitute, but they will make Cameron Green tomorrow hopefully, because KKR has spent 25 crores, 20 lakhs on Cameron Green, so they will make use of Cameron Green tomorrow. And this was a much anticipated thing for all the Mumbai Indians to see Rohit Sharma back at Wankhede Cricket Stadium. Make no mistake, he's coming out to bat. And you can see the transformation is made, and what a transformation! Like, what a transformation! Make no mistake, he's coming for the 2027 World Cup. He can do anything to achieve that World Cup. And you can see the way he's smashing sixes. I think Rohit can be able to bat well in these conditions, because you can see in the Mumbai Nets he has been practicing hard. He has been dealing with big sixes, the pull shot, the big shots, and the cover drives. He's been practicing well. I think he's putting on the hard yards. And Quinton de Kock will hopefully open with Rohit tomorrow, and Surya will come at number 3. Then Tilak will come. Then Will Jacks. Then Hardik Pandya, Naman Dheer, and Jasprit Bumrah is the bowlers. Trent Bolt are bowlers, and Deepak Chahar is also there are bowlers, and that's all. But the fact is that, will Wankhede pitch be a batting pitch or a bowling pitch? When last year, when KKR Fest MI at Wankhede, they were all out for around like 107, where Ashwini Kumar took 4 wickets on IPL debut. What a phenomenal bowling! The way he got those batsmen out, the way Ashwini Kumar bowled on that last year against KKR at MI at Mumbai at 2025 was phenomenal. But what is going to be? Will again MI win tomorrow, or will KKR take revenge of that moment? And just will be a very exciting moment, and I think they should. I think hopefully Finn Allen and Sunil Narayan will bat open tomorrow. Something like that. Hopefully, like Sunil Narayan and Finn Allen will open tomorrow. Hopefully, like let's see what comes in the toss tomorrow, uh, and you can see the world champions are facing each other at Wankhede in the Mumbai Indians squad. Our World Cup winning captain Surya Kumar Yadav at Mumbai Indians, then Hardik Pandya and Tilak Varma. Tilak Varma is also there, and also from the KKR side they have Rinku Singh, the World Cup winning player. So that is going to be a very high voltage game again tomorrow. Just like RCB chased down 202 in 202 the target. Yes, 202 in 15.4 overs. It was a very good match today, and I hope that is going to be a very good match tomorrow. And that's all. I'll give you more match preview, probable playing 11 of all IPL teams. So keep watching. Thank you.